Pre-World War I and II international system in the world. After the defeat of Napoleon in 1815 at Waterloo, the European states were successful in registering peaceful development up to 1914. However, the outbreak of First World War in 1914 inflicted a mortal blow upon the development registered during these 100 years. During 1815 to 1914, the international system developed as a European dominated system, or at least as a Eurocentric system. England, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, Austrian-Hungarian Empire, and Turkey remained dominant European states and acted as key actors of international system. Balance of power, nationalism, European imperialism, and militarism continued to be the salient feature of this Eurocentric international system. The pre-war international system was differentiated by attempts designed at securing secret military and security pacts, expansion of military power, stockpiling of weapons of mass destruction, armament race, secret diplomacy, and use of force as a means for securing narrowly conceptualized goals of national interest. Consequently, the pre-war system broke down when, in 1914, the First World War broke out, which resulted in virtual chaos, disorder in international relations. The features of pre-war international system can be described as under: number 1, the balance of power; number 2, nationalism; number 3, imperialism and supremacy of Europe; number 4, absence of international organization. In second part, I will give detail of these elements